install a bathroom water trap.
What I'm going to do is I'm going to come on here, I'm going to lay it on there, and then I'm going to roll it all the way around, trying to keep it nice and straight. No, it's nice and straight. My rink on. So we're going to do that first. And that's going to go like that. Get that in there. Smush that in there. Okay, now I got it in. Now there we go. So now I put it in here, and now I'm going to tighten this onto here. Alright, that's pretty much it. Snaggy daggy. Now this is pushed in there, now I gotta tighten that bad boy. I hope this doesn't leak. Oh my god, that would be horrible. So righty tighty, lefty loosey. I kinda really want this up higher. That looks pretty good. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get a bucket with water and I'm gonna pour it in there and see if it leaks. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just pour this in here. There we go. Now we're ready to go. There goes the water. Nothing. I think we're good. I think we did a good job. Congratulations, you're a plumber.
If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on how to do stuff I've never done. Peace out.